I sailed on Viking Orion and stayed in a deluxe veranda. Keep watching for a quick tour of my cabin. Welcome to my deluxe veranda on Viking Orion. Now, whether you book Orion or one of her sister ships, the cabins are almost identical. I originally booked a V2 guarantee, which meant that I was going to be assigned a cabin closer to sailing, and there was the chance that I could get an upgrade, which I did. So from V2 I went to V3, which meant that I went from veranda to deluxe veranda. The only difference really is location. So this location was better than a V2 because it had cabins above, under, and on either side of it, which means less chances of hearing noise from neighboring public rooms. I did feel some engine vibration and noise from time to time, but nothing major and nothing to disturb my peace and quiet in this very comfortable Viking Ocean stateroom. So again, no matter the category you book, as long as it's a veranda or deluxe veranda, this is exactly the room you will obtain. The differences start when you book penthouse veranda and up. For instance, in those, you will have a proper sofa in the living room versus the two chairs you have here. I would have preferred a sofa, to be honest. I mentioned engine vibrations earlier. Well, this is because my cabin was aft 5106, as you may have noticed or picked up earlier. But the advantage of that cabin is the amazing views, such as here when we sailed into Komodo Island. Back at the top of the room, on the left there is the door to the bathroom, and then is storage with shelves, drawers, and a coffee machine, Nespresso brand. The bathroom is probably my favorite area. It's so well designed, doesn't have that dreaded shower curtain, and it is very spacious. They think through all the details on Viking. There is storage, there is enough space, but not too much. Overall, the space is extremely efficiently used, and they've got nice Freya products too. The bed can be turned into a queen or two twin beds. You've got convenient nightstands, reading lamps, as well as North American, European, and USB outlets on both sides. I really like the TV and its interactive menu, especially the music selection. Very nice and sets the mood. There is a mini fridge in the room. It is fully stocked with non-alcoholic beverages and will be replenished throughout your stay. Minor gripe? The closet is slightly difficult to access with the nightstand and a limited amount of space with the bed. If there is someone who always wants to try new things or upgrade to better, it's me. But on Viking Ocean, I would book a deluxe veranda again. It's got everything you need and nothing you don't. Sure, there are other room categories with slightly more space and a few perks, but frankly, the deluxe verandas fit the bill. For a full tour of Viking Orion, watch this video next. And I'd really appreciate it if you liked this video and subscribe to my channel. This is Jetsetter Nick. Happy travels!